Welcome back to Drawings in Action. Today, we are going to show you how to make a cute and easy clay snail. Are you ready? We will need clay in the colors green, brown, white, and black. Let's divide the clay into small balls of different sizes. You can pause the video to see the exact quantity and size of each ball. Take a brown ball and shape it into a cylinder. Then, fold one end upwards to form an L shape. The top part should be flat. You can see the figure on the screen. Now, let's make the head. Take a brown ball and shape it into a pear-like form. Take two white balls and place one on each side of the head for the eyes. Then, take two black balls and add them as pupils. For the antennas, take two small brown balls and shape them into cones. Place them on the top of the head. With any pencil or tool, you can make a mark on the clay to draw a smile. And with any pointy object, we can make two small holes for the nose. Using a toothpick, connect the head to the body. To make the shell, take green clay and stretch it into a long snake-like shape. Roll it into a spiral and attach it to the body. And there we have it, a cute and easy clay snail. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more clay and drawing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.